guys, welcome back for another video. So today's video I wanted to recreate this set here. I saw this on Instagram. So I just got all my supplies ready. I got my stiletto tips from a cart. I'm gonna adhere those using this glue gel from SXC Cosmetics. So we're gonna start off by placing a small amount of that glue gel on the inside of the tip, and then we're gonna place these on the natural nail, and then making sure we cure these. I did have to cure these a little longer because I used the bigger lamp. It was hard to get my hand under there. Anyways, so after I finished applying all the nails, I did go ahead and do a full cure. And now I'm going to go ahead and file, reshape, and buff the shine off of all the nails. After I finish that, I go ahead and use this purple jelly color. I've been using this jelly collection from Beetles. I do use the purple, the blue, and the green for this set here. So like I said, I do go ahead and do a thin coat of this over all of the nails, and I do cure for 60 seconds. I do make sure I wipe around my cuticle area after I'm finished. My biggest pet peeve is when I don't clean around there and I get like a buildup of gel. It irks my nerves. So after I am finished with that, I go in with a layer of base coat. This is from Beetles. And I get the blue jelly color and the green jelly, and I put some of that on my nail palette. I will say that this first attempt I did not like. You will see that I do take this off. I just take a paper towel with some alcohol and just wipe it off. I just wasn't feeling it, so I went and grabbed a different collection from Beetles. I don't know the name of this collection. This is like the first gel collection I ever purchased. You'll see in a second here. I just grabbed the blue and the green of that. It's more of a cream color. But I will leave all the links to everything down below. I got this off of Amazon a few years ago. So I just put that next to the jelly color. This one's more of like a highlighter yellow. At first I was just picking up the colors individually, and then I started like swirling or mixing the colors together and then applying that, which I think came out way better. And I will tell you guys now that this set did not come out at all like the picture I showed, but that is fine because I love how this set turned out in the end. See here, I started mixing the two gel colors together, and I think that was the best decision. I think it came out so much better this way than how I first initially started. So I do that to all the nails. So I'll let this play out and I'll come back when I'm ready for the next step. I don't know if I said this or not, but I do apply a layer of base gel to get that blooming effect before I apply the colored gel. I just wanted to mention that if I hadn't mentioned that already. While I let this part play out, I do want to go ahead and remind you guys, I am currently doing a giveaway. I will link the giveaway video so you guys can go ahead and watch that and enter that giveaway. It does end on May 10th and it'll be 2 winners. I just wanted to mention that. Please go ahead and watch that video and go ahead and enter. So here I'm using this, I think it's called a Galaxy stick. I got this in one of my Your Nail Lab subscriptions, like early when they first started. I will link it down below if they still sell it. I'm not sure. I just saw this on my desk and I was like, let's just see where this goes, and I love it. I absolutely love how it turned out, what it did for the set. It actually turned it into like an oil slick, which I am here for. I love how this like turned the set around, because I was honestly ready to like just pop these off and start over, but this little stick here like saved the set for me. So I did do that with all the nails as well. So after applying that, I did go ahead and I started using the matte top. I liked it at first. I used it to adhere these like rhinestones and these little metal pieces. But at the end I didn't like the matte, so I did go ahead and do a top coat, a shiny top coat on all these nails, which you'll see here in a second. But I can never find the right time to use a matte top coat. I don't know, it's just me, I'm sure. But it was not for this set. You could see like all the imperfections. So I'm glad that I showed you guys the difference between the two. So you guys let me know down below which one you preferred, the matte top coat or the shiny top coat for this set. So after applying my matte top coat, I did go ahead and add a cuticle oil, and this is what the set looked like. I do still like it. I think it looks a lot better when it's shiny. Here's the shiny look. I like this one so much better, but that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Bye, guys.